So I'm Sanmati. I've been working since 2 years. I'm into the real estate laws field, and so my career started with real estate, and I've stuck onto it. And now I'm working at a law firm right now. Previously, I was working with a company as an in-house counsel. Now I'm at a law firm. It was very insightful, very helpful. It was very, different from the other courses that I've seen. It was very practical, and the assignments were very challenging at times. It was a lot of learning and practical aspects that is, which I'm using even now in my career. It's not very subjective like how we study usually, by heart, section wise, act wise, what is there. It's very practical. In college, regarding real estate laws, there's only Transfer of Property Act mainly, right? Rest the electives, and you're not sure what you want to do when you're in college, which field of law you want to pursue. But later on, when I got into property laws and real estate, it was a bit difficult for me to get, because basics I was not very clear of, because I was not sure I'm going to pursue this as my career. So when I joined LawSikho, I got like a lot of basics which were cleared out, everything about RERA, everything was so clear, and drafting skills improved a lot. So all these feedback sessions that we had, they used to check our assignment in front of us, and it was a very good interactive forum where we could discuss all our doubts. And the faculty were very nice. They were professionals, right? So even they had practical knowledge. So their way of teaching is quite different from what you get in college usually. It was very practical, and we could ask any questions at any point of time. And yeah, basically drafting, it's helped me a lot in my career, because we learned many documents clause wise. Each clause was discussed at times. So yeah, like I said, the assignments were challenging, so it made us think a lot and helped. Generally, yeah, listen in class, make notes. Don't go by it, section wise. Learn, think about how this is going to be applied in the real world. Look into case laws, read case laws every day. That's going to help you more, rather than just going by what it says. Think about how you're going to apply and interpret it, because that's what really matters later on. And yes, they can probably have a study plan and concentrate in class and ask doubts, and mostly read case laws. That'll help you a lot, and try to analyze different situations. So mainly everything was very good, in fact more than what I expected. So it was very nice. The classes were scheduled on time, and all these assignments which were given were very good. But one specific thing was related to my course. So I took up real estate laws, right? So in that, I learned a lot about Mumbai, how it works, and Delhi, how it works, what is the general central law. But since I'm from Karnataka, and in real estate laws are a little different in each city, and we went through in detail about Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, etc. But Karnataka specific was a little less. So probably, you can put in a module on Karnataka land laws, because it's a bit complicated to understand. And also the faculties were mostly from those regions, so they had more practical knowledge. It was good. It's good to know each city's laws, how it works. But it'd be nice if you could add in someone from Karnataka as well, who has